How to navigate Manus AI dashboard. Are you guys facing issues to navigate Manus AI dashboard? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To navigate the Manus AI dashboard, first of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for Manus AI website. As soon as you enter the website, you will see the main dashboard where your tools and analytics are displayed. The left-hand sidebar usually contains sections like project, data, and settings. At the top, you'll find quick access to notification where you can see this at the top, account details, and support. In the project section, you can view or create new projects. The data section lets you upload and manage data assets, while the model tab allows you to train or monitor performance. Use the setting options to adjust your preferences, account details, and integration, which is usually found at the top left corner of your screen, and tap in settings. So you can see this option for settings, appearances, and many other options. If you need guidance, look for the help or support button, often found at the bottom corner of the dashboard. With this layout, you can smoothly explore and manage everything within Manus AI from one central hub. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to navigate Manus AI dashboard. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.